Hello guys, so today we are going to make a video tutorial about Capcut. Capcut is a free video editor. You can download it from the website or you can download it from Microsoft Store. To start, just click Start Creating, and this is the start screen of the Capcut. For the beginning, we can import our video. This is the example of video, and then you add to track. This is the main track. Can edit the video. This is the menu. We can try to split. You can click here or you can press Ctrl B. There is also option to edit the main track video. You can also add audio to this track. You can import or you can choose from the preset audio. Here is the example. You can also add to track. You can change the position, and if the audio is not long enough, you can add the duplicate of this audio. You can copy. This is the option. You can copy, cut, delete. We try to paste here. Can change the position. There is also another audio you can add here, or you can add another audio track. There is a lot of option that Capcut provide. We can also add text to our video. This is the default text. You can change the text right here. You can change the position. Change the size. We can change the style. We can also change the color. Or we can choose from this preset style. There are also stylish art for the font, for the text, like here. We can add to track, and we can also change the text. You can also change the color. There are also stickers you want to edit to your video, there are effects and also transition. We try to add the transition here to our video. We choose the transition. This is the example of the transition. Add to our track. For more precision, we can zoom in the track. And there are also filters. If you finish editing, you can save it here, export. Just click export and you can change the file name. Choose the folder you want to export to. So you can change the resolution, bitrate, codec, format, frame rate. If it's okay, you can export. Wait a few seconds and you can also post it to YouTube or your TikTok. So that is for today. This video of Capcut tutorial. I hope you enjoyed. See you on the next video.